Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today let's see how the market is doing. Let's see how SPY is doing, how the S&P is doing, how the NASDAQ, and take a quick look at other stocks as well. In my humble opinion, the market is about to reverse. It is already reversing. It is already looking quite good, quite interesting, and I am going to explain to you guys why in details in this video. Just remember my friends, click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe if you are new around here. Why? Because I'm here every single day to update you guys on many stocks, including SPY, Tesla, NIO, Apple, AMD, NVIDIA. I'm sure you're gonna find something interesting in this channel, so seriously, consider subscribing. Now, let's start talking about SPY ETF, which is going up nicely right now, and it is very important to understand why it is going up. First, it did trigger a classic chart pattern called inverted head and shoulders, okay? It just triggered this pattern by breaking $397.68. It just broke this red line that I'm going to change the color to purple, okay? It just broke this purple line, which was previously a support level multiple times, and it did work as a resistance multiple times as well. So the moment we broke this line, which was the most important line on SPY, okay, we triggered this inverted head and shoulders chart pattern. We triggered a very nice bullish reversal structure, and right now SPY is clearly bullish. Clearly bullish. It is supposed to seek the next resistances, and the next resistance is 408. We just filled this gap over here, right? Which is quite good. Maybe you're gonna find some resistance at this gap area. It seems we want to find some resistance, but if we see indeed a resistance and if SPY actually corrects, as long as we don't lose the $397, this purple line, along with the 21 EMA, the trend will remain bullish, okay? Any pullback would be just an opportunity to buy, to add positions, to improve your cost basis, etc. Because right now, we are bullish in the short term, in the 1 hour chart. When we analyze the daily chart looks quite interesting as well, because since we found a support level around $384, the red line down here, it seems SPY is just trying to do a double bottom chart pattern. Okay, let me see the path through as well. As you can see over here, it bounced back up. However, it dropped again just to find a support level at the same previous support level. And right now, we are going up. Our target in the 1 hour chart, which is 408, is the break point of this double bottom chart pattern. If we do trigger this pattern, the technical resistance in the daily chart is $429. Okay, so I firmly believe if we break the 408, we're gonna easily retest 429 before we find some resistance again. In the short term, we can expect some resistance right now since we just filled the gap, and it seems the 21 EMA in the daily chart might work as a resistance as well. So right now we are in a very strong resistance area. So a pullback in the short term is expected. However, since the trend is bullish in the 1 hour chart, a pullback would be just an opportunity to buy, and it's not going to ruin our bullish thesis in the daily chart as well. If we actually break the 408, well, we're gonna confirm a bullish reversal in the midterm, and that's great. 429 is going to be our next target. In the weekly chart, I find extremely plausible to see this reversal. Extremely plausible, because SPY is dropping for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It dropped for 7 weeks in a row. We don't see this happening, not even during the subprime crisis in 2008. The last time we saw SPY dropping for more than 7 weeks in a row was during the dot-com bubble in 2001. This is a quite rare movement. I do not believe we're gonna drop more than 7 weeks in a row right now. I do not believe the situation is as or more serious than it was back 21 years ago. So I firmly believe this week we're gonna react and we're gonna see SPY ETF bouncing back up at least to its 21 EMA, which is, guess what, around $428, very close to our target in the daily chart at $429. So every single time frame here is speaking the same language. I do see a confluence of indicators telling us that we are gonna see a midterm reversal on SPY ETF. If we see a pullback in the short term, again, that's okay, that's just fine. Let's not panic. That's natural. The Nasdaq index is doing the exact same pattern as well. It's doing a possible double bottom chart pattern. The key point is the 12K. If we break this black line over here around the 12K, great. We're gonna trigger this double bottom chart pattern, and the technical target would be around here, the 13K. Okay, so we could easily go more than 1,000 points from here easily. In the 1 hour chart, we are also bullish. A pullback to the 11.5K would be natural, totally normal. And many other stocks are doing the exact same pattern, are doing some reversal patterns as well. I did a video on Tesla today. I really recommend watching it. But Amazon, possible double bottom chart pattern. I think we're gonna fill the gap at 2800s. Apple is trying to trigger a bullish pivot point in the daily chart. If we break 149, I do believe we're gonna run up to the 166. NVIDIA is one of my favorites right now. I think NVIDIA has one of the highest potential ever, because if we break 182, we can easily fill the gap at 258, meaning 40% upside potential. Google is not that clear, but in the 1 hour chart, we just did a bullish pivot point. So yeah, it is also reversing as well. Microsoft is at its EMA right now in the daily chart, but we also see a possible double bottom chart pattern over here, right? So yeah, everything in this market is indicating a possible reversal for the mid-short term. I really expect to see the indices bouncing back up. And after that, we'll see, right? Maybe the market will resume the bear trend. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. For now, let's just keep our eyes open around the 408, because that's our most important key point on SPY. Remember to subscribe to this channel to keep updated on my thoughts and insights. See you guys tomorrow, my friends. Stay safe. Farewell.